go chase that guy down, but I'm just kind of just chill. Trying to have a little chill ass cruise. My GoPro is so damn inconsistent. I mean, next car season, probably around like April, May, I'm definitely gonna have to get a like legitimate vlog camera, because every single time that I go out, or at least every other time I go out and record something, I'll come home to put everything together to make a video, and then magically like 10 minutes of my footage is just gone. I know I got plenty of space. I always clear it before I go out and record, but I'm just like, yo, like, where is my footage? So it's something with the GoPro, man. Like, it is so inconsistent right now. Technically, the weather in Illinois is starting to get a lot cooler, which is good for boost weather, but ironically, I mean, that means snow's coming, so that ain't good for the car. And it's also going to start raining, well, at least one day tomorrow, and I wanted to go out to like a meet. There's like a pretty decent meet that's going to be happening tomorrow, the monthly Stay Ill meet. If you guys are, you know, live in the Chicagoland area, you guys 100% know what I'm talking about when I refer to Stay Ill. But it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm not too sure how that's going to turn out. It's probably going to get rained out, or at least for my standard, it's going to get rained out. If it's raining on the way there, or it's already raining, or if it's just soaking wet, I mean, it's kind of chalk to go. You don't have like the actual like pops and bangs tune, when you do get some pops, even if they're like baby pops or like that one big one where you're like, oh shit, you can feel it, it's so much more like rewarding. than actually having the tune do it, like kind of, you know, popping all the time. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get some food right now, and then pretty much think about what's gonna be going on tomorrow. I'm not too sure if I'm even gonna just go out, stay ill, or just chill, because if it's gonna be raining, it's not really worth it. Downshift all the way, but hey, that's that FRS handling. I literally hear my I don't know if that's my throwout bearing or something. Something is yelling at me right now, but at the end of the day, it's just like the car, like the season's almost over, gonna be getting like a stronger clutch anyway. I'm not really too stressed about it. But I literally just hear it. It's like yelling at me like, hey, stop doing that. Oh man. Ooh, 2020 Shelby. That thing's fucking meant. Swear to God, if they made that a manual. If they made that car in manual, that'd be on the list. 100% would be on the list, but hey, man, I do understand why it's not in manual. It's a straight track car. Obviously, having a track car be automatic with that, you know, upgraded paddle shifting and shit like that. Even though, you know, upgraded paddle shifting, I do understand why they didn't make it in manual. Hey, but for us enthusiasts out here, they made a 2020 Shelby and stick. I'm gonna pull up to where I'm gonna go get food. You guys probably know. If you guys are living in this area of Illinois, you guys know exactly where I'm going. So just kind of want to close the video off here, man. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you guys absolutely drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.